Everyone talks about the credibility you'll gain from a book and the resulting boost to your income that comes from that. And there's even a lot of money that can be made from selling books. But money isn't the only reason to write and publish a book. Stick around, I've got 7 reasons to write a book this year. Hey there, I'm Julie Broad with booklaunchers.com. As I've talked about before, you can even make money selling your book, despite what a lot of people will have you believe. My first book, Than Cashflow, put more than $63,000 in my pocket in just 4 years, only from book sales on Amazon and in bookstores. That doesn't count the thousands of dollars in sales I made at the back of rooms when I spoke, or the bulk sales from associations or companies that purchased my book in bulk to give away or to sell to their clients and members. But there's a lot of reasons to write a nonfiction book that go beyond dollars and cents, or loonies and toonies, as we say in Canada. We actually don't have pennies in Canada anymore. It's true. Here's 7 reasons to stop procrastinating and get that book done this year, besides the money. Number 1, holding it in your arms is a special moment. Number 2, seeing it on someone's shelf is priceless. Number 3, get clear on your thought process. You'll end up coming up with marketable phrases and processes like our 5 Ps, which is pen to paper, process, publish, platform, and promote. Or the brand magic formula, MAGIC, that I developed when I wrote The New Brand You. It's amazing how powerful it is to spend time thinking about what you do to explain to someone else. You'll find that you refine your business processes, find trademarkable phrases, and get clarity on who you can help and exactly how. Number 4, highlight your best client stories. It's a way to thank them and give them positive exposure while also showcasing how you help, what you do, and sharing lessons learned. Number 5, legacy. I heard an author on a podcast say he stopped worrying about how he would leave a legacy for his kids once his book was published. He knows his book is something that will live on. And that's a really cool thing. You don't have to write a book to mass market it. Writing a book to share your family's story so it lives on for many generations is a pretty powerful reason to write a book. Number 6, it's cheaper than therapy. Writing is proven to treat PTSD and many other things. Writing about what has happened to you and how it's impacted you can do amazing things for your health. And since you're writing a book to help someone else learn a lesson from something you've learned, typically you're also helping them while you help yourself. Number 7, the people you'll meet once you're an author of a great book. You kind of move into a new category of people, often labeled as thought leader. When I became a speaker, I started to move into this group, and I became friends with other people I previously sought to learn from. When I became a published author, I started to meet even more interesting people. It's not necessarily that you meet better people, you're just meeting people doing bigger things. These are innovators, These are innovators, risk takers, and successful adventurers in business and beyond. You become their peer, and that's priceless. So there's 7 reasons beyond money, and money's still a darn good reason to write a book if you ask me, but there's 7 reasons beyond money to write and publish your nonfiction book. And if you need help, that's what Book Launchers is for. Go ahead and reach out. We'd love to help you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so we can hang out again next time, and smash that like button if you like free tips, and hit that dislike button if you would prefer to pay for them. All right, thanks for hanging out. See you on the next video.